All right, everyone. So this video is going to be super quick, but I wanted to show you a quick and easy Christmas gift idea that you can make for anyone. So as you see, I have went ahead on in Canva and made these beautiful designs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these designs and I'm going to just put them here on this ornament. Okay, so ornaments is a very nice gift to give to anyone, and I'm going to be giving these to the ministry. And as you see, I have did different designs, so we're going to go ahead and press them and put them in their bags. All right, everyone, so here are the ornaments that I have made right here. Like, this is some quick Christmas gift ideas. It's going to my ministry, so I'm going to go ahead and put them. They come in this little package here, this little thing here. Just go ahead and put them in the bags and give them out. This can be given to anyone. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this quick, easy, and short video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.